Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today, I'm going to show you a simple technique with the new blending brushes. These brushes are amazing. They come in a set of 3 for $16.25, and they are terrific for adding custom color to a project. Here are some other cards I've made with the brushes, just by blending different colors together. And today we're going to do a lovely masking technique to add shadow around a shape. So the measurements for this card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a matte layer of 4 by 5.25 inches, a piece of white cardstock that measures 3 by 4.25 inches, and a little piece of DSP which measures 4.25 by 3/4 inch. You'll also need some post-it notes to complete your mask, and you'll need some scrap cardstock as well. So I'm using the Dragonfly Garden Bundle to create this card. And what I want to do is I want to stamp the dragonfly and I want to create kind of a shadow around it. So I'm going to start by taking my white cardstock and I'm going to stamp the flowers here, these beautiful flowers, in Bumblebee ink off to the side. Now I'm going to stamp my dragonfly in Memento Black ink on white cardstock. To create the mask for my dragonfly, I'm going to punch out the dragonfly shape from a post-it note. I'm going to put this down on my project where I want the butterfly or the dragonfly to be. Now I've got my blending brush and I'm going to use Balmy Blue ink to add a shadow around the dragonfly. So that's cool enough. When I peel that off, it looks really interesting, but it's going to look even better once I add this dragonfly to it. But before I do that, I'm going to clean the ink off on a microfiber cloth. I can check on my paper to make sure there's no ink left. Now I'm ready to put another color on here. I'm going to use the Blackberry Bliss on the wings of the dragonfly. If I want to add another color on top of that, I can do that after I've cleaned off my brush. There's no ink left on there. So it looks really messy right now, but once I punch it out, it'll look great. I should mention too that I ran this through with my embossing machine with the subtle embossing folder, so it's got some texture on there. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to see all the different virtual events I'm offering, including Creativity to Go, Mystery Stamping, and Bring Your Own Project. All of these classes are fun, social, creative, and welcoming. I hope to see you there soon. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, please join me on Facebook. My page is called Inkyfingers Papercrafting. You can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!